What triggered the military conflict between the U.S. and Iran last Thursday? The sudden escalation shocked the world and reveals deeper tensions you might not expect. The immediate trigger was a U.S. drone strike aimed at an Iran-backed militia in eastern Syria. This attack killed multiple fighters and was seen as retaliation for recent attacks on American forces in the region. The U.S. claimed it was defending its troops and interests, but Iran viewed it as an act of aggression. This tit-for-tat action quickly escalated tensions between the two countries. Beyond the immediate event, the roots run much deeper. The U.S. and Iran have been locked in a struggle for influence across the Middle East for decades. Issues like Iran's nuclear program, sanctions, and proxy wars in Syria, Iraq, and Yemen contribute to ongoing hostility. Each side's strategic goals and mistrust create a volatile environment where a single event can ignite conflict. The sudden military conflict drew swift international attention. Allies of both nations urged restraint to avoid a larger war. The United Nations and several countries called for diplomatic dialogue to ease tensions. Meanwhile, military forces in the region remained on high alert, signaling how fragile peace is in this critical area. This conflict last Thursday was more than an isolated attack. It was a flashpoint in a long, complex struggle between the U.S. and Iran. Understanding these triggers helps you see how fragile peace can be. For daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.